Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Fortnite screen size on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. And right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix Fortnite screen size on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go to settings, and then right here, go ahead and search for screen and video. Here, you're gonna find video output, screen, and also BD and DVD. Go ahead and click on screen, and then here you're gonna find two options: adjust display area, and here you're gonna find dim screen while inactive. Go ahead and click on adjust display area, and then as you can see guys right here, the circles should fill the screen without showing black borders. If the circles are cut off or you see black borders, press up and down buttons to adjust the display area. So right now, press the up and down buttons on your controller to adjust your area, as you can see guys right here. And once you finish, click on OK, and then your screen size will be adjusted. Right now, you can go to video output, and then you can go to resolution and choose the resolution that you want to work with. I recommend you guys to always choose the highest resolution possible right here. Once you finish, just go back and then all of your changes will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.